Hey everyone, it's Wes from Dad Does Adventure. Today we are talking about inexpensive, ultralight, tasty backpacking meals you can get from your local Walmart. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about backpacking food, and no, not the delicious pre-made dehydrated pouches that have made things so easy. Today we're talking about inexpensive options we can find at our local Walmart, and we've developed three what I think are awesome recipes for you to take into the backcountry for about $4 a meal. So let's hop right into the first recipe. We're gonna grab some beef jerky, instant potatoes, carrots, and brown gravy, and then weigh our beef jerky out to 2 servings, and then chop it up in little pieces and add our instant potatoes to the bag. Lastly, we're going to chop the carrots up, put it in the bag, and we got ourselves an 8.4 ounce bag of goodies. Then we're going to get some water to boil when we're out in the backcountry and take our pre-made meal and dump it in our cup of boiling water, stir, and we have our beef, potatoes, and carrots all nicely in a cup. Next, we're going to pour our brown gravy mix into water, stir it, and heat it up, and that nice thick gravy is going to pour over the potatoes. And enjoy a home-cooked meal while out on trail. This was quite good. Simple recipe, simple ingredients. Together, you're getting a lot of the comforts at home in a spot where you don't normally get that. Here are all the specs, weight, cost, and nutritional value for this meal. Next up, we have Southwest-style chicken noodle soup. Starting with Bear Creek instant chicken noodle soup mix, sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, and Southwest chicken in a Starkist pouch. We'll break up that soup into 2 servings, add our sun-dried tomatoes, and put them in individual serving pouches. Get our water to boil, and we'll pour in those soup mixes. You can add garlic as desired, and let it cook for 10 minutes. After it's fully cooked, we'll go ahead and pour in the chicken creations into each individual serving and let that heat up along with our fully cooked soup mix. This is one of those meals that actually looks good and tastes good. The soup mix base is exceptional. The sun-dried tomatoes add a nice sweet tang. And lastly, that Southwest style chicken is just a fantastic palate mix. This is a really good recipe. Here are the specs for all the food. Next up, we have cheddar broccoli noodles with spicy mango jalapeno sausage. You're gonna need some Knorr's cheddar broccoli instant mix, some powdered milk, and some Adele sausage. We went ahead and cut up the sausage, put it in a baggie, put the milk in a baggie. That is just half a serving of powdered milk. First thing we're gonna do is get the milk all rehydrated. I did it with a little bit of heat. You don't need to do that. You can just mix it cold and it'll be just fine. Just makes it a little easier. Get yourself some water boiling so that you can cook that cheddar broccoli noodle pouch and pour that bad boy right in and start a stirring. Once that's all heated up after the noodles have softened and your mix is pretty much done, add the milk so it can have some creaminess to the meal. Once the milk has mixed properly and heated up, you can add the sausage and let that cook for a couple minutes on top. And I gotta tell you, the combo of spicy mango sausage and broccoli cheddar noodles was fantastic. This was a meal I will end up recreating at home with regular milk and some other types of cheese, but it was really, really good, and I can't recommend it enough. This is one of the recipes we came up with that I think is going to be a total home run. Thanks everyone for coming along. We hope you enjoyed this video, and most of all, I hope one of those recipes end up in your pack this backpacking season. To make it easy for you, I put a link to each of the products we use at Walmart in the description below. Enjoy, and as always, keep adventuring. And also, enjoy these outtakes. have no taste buds left on my tongue. Ha! It must cool down.